guys, and welcome to more puppy cuteness with Zoe. Here we go. Oh, so sorry, they're nursing. I'll do it later. Well, your babies are nursing. You get to be the star, Kennedy. Pretty girl. Pretty mommy. Okay, they're done, I guess. Or not. Pretty mommy, you get to be the star. Do something cute. Oh, hey, Carrie. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. Good times never seem so. Oops, they're pooping. Still nursing. Still cute. Okay, Caroline. All done? Caroline! Okay, Kennedy, say your highs. Oh, Patrick. Jeez, boy. Jeez. You're the biggest. Oh, and Mommy's trying to get attention too. All of you will get camera, don't worry. You're all on camera. Arabella, Patrick, Kennedy, Kennedy, Arabella, the bitiest, Patrick, Kennedy, the littlest, the runt, the cutie, Caroline. Here's Caroline saying hi. Oh, all three puppies are adorable. I'm getting up before they eat me alive. Sorry. Still watching, you guys. You're still on camera. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Get on camera. Hey, mommy. Aww. Aww, isn't that so cute? Before you have a heart attack from how cute they are. Bye. See you next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want more puppy videos, comment below about that. If you want more Mr. Buttman videos, well, not Mr. Buttman, just Buttman, videos, Buttman cartoons, then comment down there as well. And if you want more Linda Talk videos, comment down there as well. And if you want more game interview score videos, then go to comment down there as well. Or if you want me to do anything new out of my column ordinary, please say that. Or if you want me to do new challenges, new fun things to do, please comment below and say that. Because I would like more people commenting on this. Since I got like 20 views on one and like only 2 comments. And I would like way more comments. So please comment more and please subscribe more and please like more. I don't really care about likes. I care mostly about subscribers. And so, yeah. Bye! Do 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 do.